In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom to Outlook. By the end, you'll have the Zoom add-in installed in Outlook on the web, so you can easily insert Zoom meeting details right from your inbox. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and open the official Outlook website from the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign into your account. This walkthrough focuses on Outlook in your browser, which is the easiest place to add and manage add-ins. Once you're in your mailbox, create a new message by selecting New Mail. This opens the Compose window, and that's important because the add-ins option appears inside this view. In the Compose toolbar, look for an icon that looks like a small square made up of little boxes. This is the Apps or Add-ins button. Click that icon to reveal more options. From that menu, choose Get Add-ins. This opens the Office Add-ins store in a panel or a new window, depending on your layout. Here you can find tools that integrate directly with Outlook to speed up your workflow. In the Add-ins store, use the search bar at the top and type Zoom. You should see the Zoom add-in appear in the results. It's the official option that lets you add Zoom meeting details to your emails and calendar invitations without leaving Outlook. Select Add next to the Zoom add-in. Outlook may show a brief description and the permissions the add-in needs to function properly. This is standard for add-ins and explains what the tool can access to work inside your mailbox. When prompted, click Continue. That confirms the installation and completes the setup. In most cases, the add-in will be ready immediately. You'll typically see a confirmation message, and the Zoom option will show up in your Compose Windows toolbar the next time you're writing an email. The first time you use it, you may be asked to sign in to your Zoom account inside the add-in so it can generate meeting links on your behalf. If you don't see the add-in right away, try closing the Compose window and opening a new one, or refresh the page. If you're using a work or school account and the option to add add-ins is disabled, your organization's admin might need to enable it for you. That's it. You've added Zoom to Outlook on the web, making it faster to create and share Zoom meeting details directly from your inbox.